Traders, Mike from MS100 here with you. And what a kind of slow day in the markets today. I know I did have a question yesterday about my email address. I did post it on the last video, but it's right here, tradermike@ms100.com. I will put that up on the site, so if you guys are on the site, you guys have access to it. You guys can send me any questions that you want. I'll take a look at your charts, tell you what I think's happening. I'll either respond with a video or I'll give you an email back, maybe send you a chart, what I'm looking at there. Other than that, let's get into today's video. We did have some nice triggers on our watch list today, and we will take a look at those. Alright traders, here we are. I'm just going to take a look at the intraday action in the SPY first. It's 4:15 right now, so we still are getting some live trades here in the after hours, but this morning we had a nice pop up. Got some people into the market, and we actually dropped down here. Now, as I am taking a look at this chart, I was looking at this possible head and shoulders pattern that could be forming here in the chart here. We had the shoulder right here around 9:30. Possible head, and we came back up and actually created this, started to sell down here and created this trend line. So I was looking at this slanted inverted head shoulders, and sure enough it did play out. We did have a long shoulder here, but we did consolidate nicely underneath this trend line here, and pretty much once we popped out of this trend line, there was really no looking back. We just rallied into the green into this afternoon. Today we did have the Dow Jones up 15, the Nasdaq was up 2, and the S&P was up 3, but we did have a 5% rally in the VIX here, so it is showing that is some more fear coming into the markets. I do want to take a look at the daily chart right now. As we're going to take a look at it, we did extend this rally up a little bit here. Alright, here we are on the daily chart. Basically, we're taking a look at that. We had this big rally on Thursday. Nice little inside day here on Friday, and we have hammer candle here today. Don't really have a long wick on the downside, but the markets are making higher lows here, and the volume was kind of the same as on Friday. I do like how we have the embedded stochastics here. MACD still rising along with the RSI. It's telling us that we do have a potential move higher. Again, the levels that I'm looking at for a higher move here is 1,000 and then 1,007. To the downside, I'm looking at 955 on the S&P, and if you do take a look at the numbers on the SPY, it'd be 107, and it would be 95.55, somewhere around those areas on the SPY here. Basically, we just have this, just continue the extension here on the rally. Until we make some lower lows here in the market, I am still bullish, and I will be taking the trades off my watch list as they do trigger. I do want to take a look at SKS here today and CVH, two of the stocks on the watch list, and show you what happened with them today. Alright, here we are, SKS. This morning we just kind of chopped around. Sold down, drew in this falling wedge pattern around 11:30, and actually took a long in the stock, and then we just basically sat here through midday and just traded sideways. Then we started to step up in this stock, make a nice stair stepping up here, and right around when we got to 484 here, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I was saying I was looking for this to go to 490, and we actually came up and tagged almost $5 here in the stock. I am looking for this to actually move a lot higher. As I did show you last night, there was a nice triangular pattern and a bull flag. Actually, it was a bull pennant, sorry, starting to form in this chart. So I am looking for a move higher here. I got in around 476, and it's around $5 now, so we did have a nice move there. Now I just want to pull up CVH, Coventry Health Services. Alright, here we are, CVH. If you notice, actually, let me get this out of here for you. This morning we had this nice rally all the way up to 2040, and it was sort of a pop and drop. You got everyone long the stock, and then we just dropped off and sold down here. Around 11:15, we actually made a bottom here in the stock. We kind of just grinded up right underneath to just draw a quick trend line in here. Just grinded up this trend line all day. Now, tomorrow morning, I believe it's tomorrow morning, we do have earnings on this stock. If it's not tomorrow morning, it's the afternoon, but I'm 90% sure that they're coming out with earnings in the morning. I did say I was going to unload half my position into the earnings, but I'm going to hold it till tomorrow morning, see what happens, go to the casino with